In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Venmo account private. And what I mean by that is you've got contacts and all these different people. It's like a social media kind of app. And anytime you send somebody money or somebody sends something to you, everybody that in your thing can see it. So if you don't want that to happen, this is what you're going to do. We're going to open Venmo. I'm going to pull up to the bottom because I don't want you to see the names. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Me. I'm going to click on Me here. And it's going to bring me to this page here. Okay, I'm not going to let you see the bottom part. Then I'm going to go into Settings. Then I'm going to go to Privacy. All right, and then see that right there? Visible to sender and recipient only. Notice how I've got it checked? You want to check that. If you have public checked or friends checked, then everybody can see what the heck you're doing. If you don't want anybody to see what you're doing, you got to check private. All right, so if I went like that, then then it's going to change it. I don't want to change it. I'm going to cancel it. If I went like that, then it's going to pull this up. Are you sure you want to change your default privacy settings? No, I don't want to. I want to keep them there. So I'm going to keep it private. And that's the way, if you do that, then nobody knows who you're sending money to or who's sending money to you. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.